Like, this is something like you need to run out the house and you're just like, hold up, get right with you. I'm gonna get right with you, okay? Channel, it's your girl Nova, period. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. And if you're new, welcome to the Nova game, period. So we're gonna hop right into this video per usual. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is a wig review. Clap it up, okay? Clap it up. We're coming so far so fast. I'm so excited. So this video is sponsored by Wenyu hair, and they reached out to me to review one of the units that they have, and it is a headband wig. So I just got this in today. I ordered it yesterday. Yeah, on the 14th. It's currently the 15th, and it just got here. I am gonna have another video, so if you see this beat, you know, it's within the same day, because I have two. So, little sneak peek. So I have two videos that I'm going to be doing within this day to review. But anywho, that's neither here nor there. So we're going to hop right into this video. So, opening it up. Okay. It does sound like the bag. So they sent me two headbands. This is what they look like. Honestly, I feel like this one is my favorite. I'm probably gonna do this one. But this is the headbands that they sent me. I do have my own personal ones just in case I didn't like the ones they provided, but it's all good. So this is what the wig comes in. It comes in this bag, and this is in a 14-inch. All the specs and details will be in the description down below. If you are wanting to check out this wig for yourself, like I said, all that information will be in the description down below, and it might be some discounts, who knows? So make sure you should check that and don't miss it. And this is disclaimer. This is my honest review. No one is sitting here forcing me to say anything. Just want to say that because a lot of people are not real and authentic when it comes to these hair reviews. They just say what people want to hear. So yeah. So going ahead and taking the wig out of the bag. So it has the paper that it has in there, and then it has the net. So off bat, smells like regular hair. Just want to say that because a lot of companies send people hair and it doesn't smell too good, but this hair, it doesn't smell bad at all. So this is what the curl pattern looks like, and I will make sure that I put the specs and details on the side so you can see, but this is what the curls look like. Look at that. Beautiful. Well, as I'm running my hands through it, I mean, I'm seeing just a little bit of shedding, but it's curly hair. You know, curly hair tends to shed, so just be on the lookout. But it's nothing to the point where it's like dramatic, but yes. So this is the construction of the wig. It does come with 3 combs, 2 on the side and then 1 under, and then you have the construction up here. So honestly, off bat, what I'm seeing is that this hair is gonna be easy breezy, lemon squeezy. Honestly, I'm gonna go ahead and just plop this on my head. I do not have a wig cap, you guys, so please don't scold me in the comments. Okay, honey, let's get into it. Okay, so I had slicked down my edges. I just did a 10,000 big chop, as you can tell from my channel. I tend to do a lot. So I had just slicked down what I had. No cap, no kizzy. So for the simple fact that you see here, and look at this. Okay. So I'm just going in with my water bottle and just seeing what these curls are working with. And then I'm gonna go in, then I'm gonna get into the details of the hair. Because this video is not gonna be long at all. You know, it's simple, it's easy to put on. You guys, trust me, it's the best thing to do. I love it so much. Like, this is something like you need to run out the house and you're just like, hold up, get right with you. I'm gonna get right with you, okay? This is what it's giving. This is what it's giving. So putting the water on the curls, this is what it looks like. Get into it. Like, let me make sure y'all can see these. You see me. You see me, honey. Come on now. You told me you don't see this? Honey, Wenyu hair. Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am. Cause we are sisters, ooh, we stand together. So, like I said, they did provide me with all the headbands. So I'm gonna try out their headbands so you can just see what to expect if you are to order this hair. As I'm putting on my headbands, I'm gonna just read out the specs of this wig. So again, this wig is 14 inches and it is natural black. And it is human hair, okay? So you guys don't think that, you know, you're gonna get some dupe hair. This is very much human hair. And the price of this, whew, y'all shouldn't even hesitate. This wig is $55.99. $55.99 for this wig. Compared to all these other companies that are $200, what? This is bougie on a budget. This is really what this channel is all about. It's just getting you stuff, letting you just open your eyes to stuff that's on a budget and you can still look good. You can still look good. And it's so simple. You pop it on, put a headband on and call it a day. Like, you see this? What? You can't tell me that you wouldn't want to buy this. Come on now. It's very full. It's not thin, it's very full. And you can do so many hairstyles. If you all would like for me to do a video on hairstyles for this wig, please let me know. I would definitely do that for you all. So yes, let's see. That's all that they have up here as far as, you know, specs and details. Like I said, it is 100% human hair, and this is small head and big head friendly. So don't hesitate to purchase this wig if you feel as if it's not gonna fit you. It does, because I have a medium-sized head. So if it fits me, I know for a fact it's going to fit you. So honestly, this wig is definitely my go-to. This is definitely gonna be my go-to. Definitely gonna be my go-to. This is wonderful. I love this wig. It is very beautiful, and it is realistic as far as, like, if you have like a certain hair texture, this is very realistic. So if you tend to have like curly hair, this will definitely blend in with that. So don't feel like you're not gonna be able to, you know, rock this wig, honey. This wig is rockable. Okay. Oh, you can never go wrong with no sheeta. You can never go wrong with no print, honey. You can never go wrong with a print. Period. This wig is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Wenyu, thank you for sponsoring this video. I really love this wig. This wig will have to be a 10 out of 10 for me. Like I said, if you do not purchase this wig, then honey, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? So, yeah. Go ahead and get this wig, please. This is fast. Takes you less than 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes. You pop this on, strap it up in the back, throw a headband on, and get to going. That's it. It literally knocks out about a good 45 minutes to an hour trying to lay and melt your lace, you just throw this on. It's literally a shake and get to go. That's all it is. So yes, get this wig, honey. I just don't know what you're gonna be doing if you don't get this wig. You're missing out, okay? You're definitely missing out. Yes, make sure that you check out all my other videos that I have on my channel. This is a part of my wig diary series of all the affordable wigs that you can get that is bougie on a budget. And I do have a giveaway going on currently, so if you want to enter into that, please make sure that you check out that video, and it will be on the icons on the side of the screen. And yeah, follow me on all my social medias if you haven't already, so you can see this beautiful face all the good time. And yeah, that's it. Thank you again for Wenyu for sponsoring this video. If you have any comments or any questions, please make sure you drop them down. Drop them down in the comment section. I respond to them in a jiffy, okay? And make sure you like this video. Share this with your friends. Why not? Let them join the Nova Gang too. And if you want to be a part of the Nova Gang as well, make sure you subscribe to this channel. So without further ado, I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.